American. Spelled differently, but pronounced the same. Sequoia was of the Cherokee Nation. He had an English name. His name was George Guest, but his Indian name was Sequoia. He was a great man for a great reason. His people, the Cherokee Nation, had no written language, hence no written history. He single-handedly, over many years, came up with 86 letters in the Cherokee tongue. Well, it worked. Went so far as to give a written history. Even went in printed the Bible, translated the Bible. Well, once we cross the river here, we're going to see what a fitting monument these trees are. Because
here comes
once
the
we get
dress.
across, it's going to be all old growth redwoods.
Here we go. Do you see how close the ferns were?
Well, we're getting very close to Roy Camp. Some of you have an hour layover, some of you are done for the day. What to do? Well, my strong suggestion is to take a stroll to these beautiful redwoods that are coming into view on your left-hand side. This is a world-famous grove of redwoods. That big open spot there, that's where they had a big breakfast with Teddy Roosevelt at one point in time. Just lots of stories
I think
connected to this amazing grove of old growth redwoods. Now, if you're coming back with us, we're leaving at 2 o'clock, but you have ample time to walk the grove and then get on back. If you're done for the day, of course, you got the whole day ahead of you.